Hi everyone, this is DEEKSHITA from Fashion Designing Department. One of my favorite faculty is Divya ma'am. She's so friendly and helpful and she has amazing skills. As a students, we have lot of raw ideas and teachers helps us to shape them and present it to the world. I wish you a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, I am TEJA, a student from Interior Designing here at Hamstech. So today on the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to talk about some of the amazing teachers I've had here at Hamstech. I can't choose a single faculty here because all of the 3 teachers so far we had are amazing. Tejaswini ma'am is very nice and she's very friendly and approachable person, and Priya ma'am looks strict, but she is also a very friendly person once you get to know her, and she makes it a point to explain things till you understand them. And then there is Shahira ma'am, who is very jovial person, and she makes the class very fun, and it's like an enjoyable subject we have. And finally, talking about teachers, we talk about mothers and fathers all the time. We don't talk about teachers enough because teachers are those people who are invaluable. That means we have to have them in our life. Without them, our life would not go in a proper direction. At home, our mothers and fathers will guide us, but once we get outside of our house, teachers are there to guide us. They will teach you how to go about life and how to understand your skills, your potential, and learn from your own mistakes, and finally make you a responsible and skillful individual of the society. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there.
Hi, my name is Pavan Kumari. I'm from Fashion Designing Department. For a student to pick a favorite faculty, it's very difficult. So even if I have to pick one faculty, I'll pick Harshita ma'am. Harshita ma'am, she's supportive, she's helpful, and she knows how to bring out the best in others. All the teachers help us to nourish and implement our skills. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the faculties and wish them a very happy Teachers Day.
Hello everyone, I wish a very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there. I'm VISHALI from Hamstech, Untitled baking student. For me, a teacher is a person who molds a child's life, and there are other professions just because there are teachers in this world. And my favorite teacher here is Radhika ma'am and Tahir sir, because they both teachers in a very deep manner and they are very inspiring for all of us.
Hello everyone, my name is PRAVALIKA and I'm a student at Hamstech baking course. I just want to wish all the teachers out there a happy Teachers Day. Today I'm going to talk about teachers. Teachers are very important in our life. We learn all the minute details and life skills from our teachers. My favorite teacher over here is Tahir sir. I like the way he teaches and the way he explains every little topic in a deep way. I'm looking forward to learn many more things over here. Thank you.